Hello friends, welcome back to our channel. This is Rap Studies and today we are going to start with a new series that is Ancient History of India. And Ancient History of India will mostly have 20 classes, 10 from Ancient History of India and 10 from Medieval History of India. And if you have not liked and subscribed to our channel, then I recommend you to please go like, share and subscribe to our channel so we can get motivated to make more such educational videos to you. And today's topic is Stone Age. But before digging into the topic, let me make it clear that medium of this topic will be both Hindi as well as English. So let us come to the topic, but first let me rub this one. So this is first topic, which is Stone Age, and this is also called prehistoric period. What do I mean by prehistoric period? Prehistoric period is that period for which we do not have any literary evidence. And what do I mean by literary evidence? Literary evidence means कि इसके लिए कोई भी आपका लिखित सबूत नहीं है. आपको जो भी एग्जीबिशंस में जो भी आर्टिकल्स मिले हैं उसी के इन्फ्रेंसेस पे हमने ये लगाया है कि वहाँ पर क्या क्या एक्टिविटी हो सकती है, उस टाइम आपकी कौन कौन सी एक्टिविटी हो सकती है. सो आपका स्टोन एज है वो आपका डिवाइड किया गया है आपका थ्री पार्ट्स में, पैलियोलिथिक, मेसोलिथिक एंड थर्ड वन इज नियोलिथिक. और पैलियोलिथिक है वो फर्दर डिवाइड है आपका लोअर पैलियोलिथिक, मिडिल पैलियोलिथिक एंड अपर पैलियोलिथिक. And categorization of this stone age was divided on the basis of development in the stones. What do I mean by development in the stones? Development in the stones means earlier there was bigger boulders and later on the size of the stones reduced and it became more precise and so as to help more in easier killing of animals, plus it will also help in agriculture, plus also help in painting, etc. And later on the size became somewhat more like triangular. And here is lower Paleolithic, middle Paleolithic and upper Paleolithic. Lower Paleolithic has time period from 2.5 lakh BC to 1 lakh BC, and tool of this period are hand axe, cleavers and choppers. Basically these all are big tools or rough tools. And later on in middle Paleolithic, which is from 1 lakh BC to 40,000 BC, size of the tools became more sharp and they are in rectangular in shape, and these are blades and burins. And later on in upper Paleolithic, size of the stones become more precise or become more sharp or polished. These are called blades and points, and these were rectangular in shape, no, triangular in shape like this. And time period is from 40,000 to 10,000 BC. And this is Mesolithic period, which starts from 9,000 to 4,000 BC. And there are two major achievements in this period. First one is microliths, and second one is domestication of animals. Now let's first discuss microliths. Micro means small and lith means stones. So size of the stones will be small, so it will help in easier killing of animals and plus in leisure activity. Leisure activity means that will help in paintings. You can use them in paintings to inscribe them on walls. जैसे जैसे साइज छोटा होता गया आप देख सकते हो कि आप अगर स्टोन्स पॉइंटेड होंगे और शार्प होंगे, तो इससे आप दीवारों पे खुरेद कर आप पेंटिंग भी कर सकते हो, जो कि इस पीरियड का काफी बड़ी अचीवमेंट थी, क्योंकि इससे पहले आपके जो बोल्डर्स के साइज थे वो काफी बड़े थे. लेट मी फर्स्ट रब दिस हियर. And the second major achievement of this period is domestication of animals. And the first animal to be domesticated was dog. And let me use another color. And the second one was cattle. And the third and rest of the animals to be domesticated were horses, sheep, sorry, and goat. एंड इसके जो एविडेंस है वो आपको मिले है आदमगढ़, जो कि है आपका मध्य प्रदेश में, और दूसरा एविडेंस मिला है आपका बगौर में, जो कि है आपका राजस्थान में. एंड द थर्ड पीरियड विच इज Neolithic period, which start from 4000 BC till up to IVC, which is Indus Valley civilization. And there were many major achievements in this period. And first one was stones, which became more polished and sharp. And second one was agriculture, which started in northwest frontier province in Mehergarh, Pakistan, which is in Pakistan, Peshawar. And third achievement is wheel, and which also led to pottery. And the fourth one is fire, which was used commonly in this period. And the fifth one is megalithic burials. Megalithic, first we have to decipher this word megalithic. Megalithic means, mega means large and lithic means stone. So in this period, what we were doing in this period was that आपके जो स्टोन्स होंगे वो काफी बड़े बड़े होंगे साइज में, लाइक दिस. और इसी में आपके आदमी को बरी किया जाता था, और प्लस इसके साथ कुछ उसकी बिलोंगिंग भी बरी कर दी जाती थी, जो कि माना जाता था कि ये आपके आफ्टर लाइफ में इसको हेल्प करेगी आदमी को सर्वाइव करने में. एंड देयर वर several crops which led to urban civilization in northwest frontier province. And there are also some stone age sites which shows the proof of stone age in India. So first one are from Madhya Pradesh. These are Bhimbetka, Panchmadi, Adamgarh and Kayat. And the second one are from UP. These are Belan Valley, Pratapgarh, Mirzapur, and the rest of them are Burzahom from Kashmir, and the last one is from Brahmagiri Hills in Andhra Pradesh. So friend, that's it for this class, and this class was quite a short, so we will try to make more long videos in videos to come. So that's it for today, and if you have liked this video, then please hit a like button and subscribe to our channel. Until then, keep studying.